राम मिलाई जोड़ी की कहावत तो आपने जरूर सुनी होगी। कुछ इसी तरह की कहानी आज हम आपको सुनाने जा रहे हैं। ये कहानी है टीवी जगत के सबसे मशहूर और सबसे चहीते जोड़ियों में से एक अभिनेता जोड़ी के बारे में। तेरी मेरी कहानी के इस एपिसोड में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं राम मिलाई जोड़ी वाली जोड़ी यानी राम कपूर और गौतमी गढ़गिल की प्रेम कहानी के बारे में। टीवी जगत में बहुत सारे कलाकारों की मुलाकात अपने सह कलाकारों से होती है और वो एक दूसरे से काफी प्रभावित भी नजर आते हैं। गौतमी गाडगिल और राम कपूर का व्यक्तित्व भी काबिले तारीफ है। She is svelte and demure, he is handsome and untamed. While she is a health freak, he is gourmand. And yet, amidst these stark differences, what lies common between these two actors of Indian television is the unflinching, undoubted love for each other that nestles in their hearts. शुरुआत से ही बड़ा अजब गजब सफर करने वाली गौतमी गढ़गिल की कहानी आपको पसंद आने वाली है। She stepped in the glam world at the vulnerable age of 16 as a model, went on to rise to great heights with her inherent acting skills. And Ram Kapoor captured many a girl's hearts only to break them when he fell head over heels in love with his Ghar Ek Mandir co-star Gautami. And then there was no looking back. So, for all the fans of the gorgeous couple of Indian television, here we bring all the details of the beautiful love story. जैसे हर एक चीज की शुरुआत बिल्कुल अकल्पनीय होती है, किसी ने ना सोचा होगा कुछ वैसी ही कहानी राम और गौतमी रचने जा रहे थे। Television was the breeding ground for developing love between Ram and Gautami. The two first met on the sets of what went on to become one of the most renowned serials of that time, Ghar Ek Mandir. Gautami played the role of Ram's bhabhi or sister-in-law, who in a reversal of fortune becomes his wife. The chemistry that the two shared on screen captured the hearts of audiences, and they longed to see this pair together in real life too. दूर के ढोल सुहावने होते हैं, पर असल में सच कहता है आओ मुझे छू कर देखो। राम और गौतमी की कहानी भी कुछ ऐसी ही है। It was not that easy. In fact, Ram and Gautami were poles apart when it came to their basic personalities. While Ram described her as Miss Goody Two Shoes, who always kept up a reserved aura, he himself was of amorous nature. On the other hand, Ram was known to be kind of playboy who loved women, who partied and drank, and certainly Gautami was not his type. However, as the cliche goes, opposite attracts. Soon Ram and Gautami developed a great chemistry, and it was not long before they realized that they were made for each other. किसी का भी मिलना शायद उसके हाथ में नहीं होता, लेकिन उस मिलन के साथ को निभाना या ना निभाना उसी के हाथ में होता है। They might have proposed to each other or their co-stars in a very romantic style on screen, but the real-life proposal was quite simple yet very beautiful. The two were at a wild party one evening where Ram simply asked Gautami to get married, which she readily accepted. True to their mushy romance, the couple exchanged vows on none other than the day meant for true love and lovers, Valentine's Day in 2003. It was Gautami's decision to get married on February 14th, who sees this day as a special one to express and reciprocate your feelings for the love of your life. There was initially some protest from their families, but they managed to convince them. Gautami is a Maharashtrian and Ram a Punjabi, but they tied the knot as per Arya Samaj rituals. They got married at the Mayfair Rooms in Mumbai and celebrated their honeymoon in Kasamoi, a small island near Bangkok. This is Gautami's second marriage, as she was first married to a commercial photographer, Madhur Shroff. समय यूं ही किस तरह गुजर जाता है पता ही नहीं चलता, पर ये तभी होता है जब चीजें मक्खन की तरह स्मूथ हो। It has been more than a decade since this wonderful couple has been declared man and wife. They are blessed with two kids, a daughter Sia, and a son Aks. While Gautami took a break for a while post pregnancy, Ram continued to shoot up the ladder of success with serials like Kasam Se and Bade Achhe Lagte Hain. And the two were last seen together in the movie Shaadi Ke Side Effects. Being together for so long and still going strong, here is what Ram Kapoor has to say about his beautiful wife. I think I have made the best decision in choosing my life partner. She is also from the industry and understands the nature of job perfectly. She knows that I have to work for long hours. I am blessed to have her in my life. At times I certainly miss being with them and wish that I could spend more time with my family. और देखिए गौतमी क्या सोचती है राम के उनके जीवन में होने के प्रभाव के बारे में. My journey with Ram has been great fun, happy, challenging, satisfying. We are together for almost 15 years now and I am so proud that he has worked hard and achieved all the success. गौतमी राम के साथ से बहुत खुश नजर आती हैं. वो राम को पाकर खुद को खुश नसीब मानती हैं. Gautami does not hesitate to confess that Ram is the best thing that has ever happened to her in her life. And Ram too proudly confesses that his better half is his lucky charm. In fact, with their strong and unconditional love for each other, they have been an inspiration for many couples in the country, and we wish this gorgeous couple a lifetime of happiness and togetherness. हम आशा करते हैं कि राम और गौतमी की जोड़ी हमेशा के लिए सलामत रहे और लोगों का प्यार के ऊपर से विश्वास इनको देखकर सिर्फ बढ़ता ही रहे. आपकी इस लव स्टोरी के बारे में क्या राय है? लिख भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में. इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें टेली चक्कर को.
All about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.